Good morning, everybody. It's Brandon Doherty, Delaware Weather Guy, and I want to review yesterday's very active storm day yesterday. There were several reports from Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Maryland, and now one in Delaware is going to be investigated in Sussex County. When I bring up the map, I'll show you where it's down by Indian River. It's in between. I would assume Dewey and Bethany, so somewhere along there um, where the bridge is. These are pictures from the system that went through the Northeast PA, Allentown, through like Trevose, um, Upper Bucks County, and into western and eastern New Jersey. Even experienced a lot of action yesterday. So we'll see. The NOAA is investigating these reports, and we'll have information out later this evening. So this is information about a plane damage. Nobody was injured, and nobody was injured in all these, and there were no deaths. So thank gosh. Um, yeah, these were strong cells that just ripped through the area that's thrown damage. Wow, that's a building that collapsed. I heard about that one, and then This is some storm damage, I guess, from above. Yeah, that's tornadical, right? There's no doubt that that was an EF1, EF2, maybe. But we'll see. We'll see what they come up with. And here's a map of where storm reports of various rotation was seen. Now, damage, they're going to go out today and assess that. So here's the one that pretty much was in the Allentown area. There was one that was like that went for an awful long trek across the river into Trenton, and it was just a long durational tornado. One up here near Upper Bucks County, just outside of Philly. One something reported down by Ocean County beaches here, and then a couple of others. The one down in Delaware is right here, and I know that's Indian River, so pretty much that's around the seashore, the state beach. Um, so they're going to investigate that area today. So and then also there were spots in Maryland, which I don't think Mount Holly is in charge there. I think this is Sterling. So um, Westminster, I think Westminster's up here. So basically, this track probably they're going to investigate that went down to just northwest of Baltimore and the Towson area. So I'm sure that's Sterling's territory, which will do the investigation for them. That's Sterling, Virginia. Sorry. Like Sterling. Yeah, Sterling, Virginia's over here. Anyway, um, that's about it. It was a busy day. I tried to track and keep my eyes on the radar, and it got crazy around between 3 and 6 o'clock. Now we didn't experience any major systems around North Wilmington or various places downstate. Didn't receive anything. And I believe that was due to the early morning gush of rain we received, and then the long cloud cover that lasted well into the afternoon. So I don't believe the daytime heating was significant, as significant here as it was to the west of us and to the northeast of us, because that's where the majority of the clearer skies were during the day, which allowed that heating to um, continue and allow those updrafts to build, and that's all the atmosphere needs is that fuel from the ground. So I'll be back later this weekend or even next week with an update on like the exactness and the data and all the information. I'll probably just post that online. But and thank you for watching and keeping track with me and the kind words of support. And nobody wishes these on anybody, folks. And to cheer for like, oh man, I want a tornado. I want to, and I'm not saying anybody or any of my supporters specifically did that, but I'm talking elsewhere on social media. People were wishing, all this. Why would you want all this? I just showed you damage. Why would you want a massive tree down and cause wires? What if somebody was, right here? Um, we're a funny breed now with social media. We these things become distant, and we're like, well, I want a tornado, and I want to see experience an F4, EF4. Why would you want to experience an EF4? I would want to experience an EF4 visually from here if it was here. So I don't want to be here when an EF4 is spinning around rotationally and destroying everything in its path. Okay, no, thank you. So there's a lot of people on social media who don't understand how vicious these things are. So that's all my politicking today. That's it for me, Brandon Dougherty, Delaware Weather Guy. Have a great weekend. Adios.